Changing your Awardwallet linked airline account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Awardwallet is a travel rewards tracking platform that helps you manage your loyalty programs and bookings in one place. To change your linked airline account, start by logging into your Awardwallet account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab, where you will see a list of all your linked loyalty programs, including airlines. Find the airline account you want to change and click on the three dots next to it. Then select Edit. This will take you to the Account Details page, where you can update your airline account information. To change the linked airline account, you will need to delete the existing account and then add a new one. To delete the existing account, click on the Delete button at the bottom of the page. Confirm that you want to delete the account, and Awardwallet will remove the link. Next, click on the Add Account button to add a new airline account. Select the airline from the list of available loyalty programs, and enter your new account credentials, including your username and password. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with linking the account. After entering your account credentials, click on the Link Account button to connect your new airline account to Awardwallet. The platform will verify your account information and link the new account to your Awardwallet profile. It is essential to keep your account information up to date to ensure that Awardwallet can accurately track your loyalty programs and provide you with the latest information on your bookings and rewards. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your Awardwallet linked airline account and continue to manage your travel rewards efficiently. Best practices for managing your Awardwallet accounts include regularly reviewing your linked accounts to ensure they are accurate and up to date, using strong and unique passwords for each account, and monitoring your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these best practices, you can maximize the benefits of using Awardwallet and make the most of your travel rewards.